Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, you are going to learn how to insert hyperlink in Excel. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to insert hyperlink in Excel using 3 ways. Way 1, using the Insert menu. This is the most common method to insert a link into an Excel cell, and it offers a variety of functionalities and options. To insert a hyperlink, first, select a cell. You can select an empty cell or a cell that already has text in them. This text will act as the anchor text for the link. After selecting a cell where you want to insert the link, navigate to Insert. Under the Link section, click Link. This opens up a new dialog box. In the address text box, enter the correct address of the web page. It is always a better practice to copy and paste the web address than to enter them manually. If you haven't added any anchor text, you can enter them in the Text to Display text box. Click OK. This inserts the web page link into the cell which contains the anchor text. When you click on the text, you will be directed to the respective web page. Way 2, by dragging and dropping. Another way you can try is inserting the link by dragging and dropping. This is an easy and simple way to insert a hyperlink in Excel. To do this, first, select a cell and enter the anchor text. Move the mouse pointer to the corner of the cell. You can see the pointer turn to a 4-sided movable pointer. Right-click and drag the cell to a new position or place it in the same position. Now, leave the mouse button and click on Create Hyperlink here. This hyperlinks the anchor text with the current workbook as default. You can then copy and paste the hyperlink onto a new worksheet or a new workbook. If you want to change the hyperlink, right-click on the link and click on Edit Hyperlink. Way 3, using the hyperlink function. There is almost a function for every operation in Excel. Using the hyperlink function, you can insert hyperlinks into cells in Excel. To use the hyperlink function, select a destination cell. Enter the formula equals hyperlink anchor text in the destination cell and press enter. But remember to enclose the hyperlink and anchor text parameter using double quotes. In the same way, you can also insert a hyperlink to a file. Just enter the file location in the first argument and the anchor text in the second argument. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to fix Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to insert hyperlink in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.